In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily flip a $200 or $100 account. So let me just quickly secure some profits. So we're in deep profit. We're in 50 pips profit right now. So let me just close one more trade. Some of you have met me that you want to trade small account, that you have small trading capital, and you want to trade that small trading capital. You want to flip it to a big account. Okay, now there are some things you need to understand about trading a small account. If you can see, this is the $200 deposit. Okay, this is the $200 deposit right here, and we've made like 308 and $314. Okay, and I still have some trades running. Okay, we have some trades running, but we've already secured profits. So I'm just going to close this particular trade because we've already booked profit. Okay, so now if you are trading a small account, you want to flip a small account, is somehow different. You're not going to trade it like you're trading um, 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 normally. Okay, there have to be some sort of impulse in the market. There has to be some sort of price movement in the market. Okay, so um, I would advise you, when you're trading a small account, you make sure you scalp. If you want to flip a small account, you make sure you scalp that account. Okay, so let me just withdraw, check our trading history. We flip this account. This is a $200 deposit. If you can see right here, this is a $200 deposit. Okay, and we flip this account. We made $325 and we withdrew the money. Can you see, guys? So we still have our trading capital running. Okay, we still have our trading capital. Now I have a trade right here that is still running. Okay, but this trade we may just close this trade in loss because this trade may not meet our trading criteria. Okay, so but let me just quickly show you how to flip a small account, because some of you have met me before that, Joseph, how can I trade a small account? I have a small account of $50, I have a small account of $100, I have a small account of $200. I want to flip the account, I want to quickly trade and make profit. If you can see, this is today's trade. Today is, if you look right here, you see that this is November 8th, 2024. All right, so if you look at today's date also right here, you can see that today is 4 p.m 4:26 p.m Friday, November 8th. Okay, so it's the same trading day that we still have here. Okay, so I'm just showing you what I did today. If you look at the time right here, it's showing you 3:25. This is 15:12 or 15:09, as you can see right here. So this is just some hours ago. Okay, so it was a $200 deposit, and we flipped this account in few minutes and we've made withdrawals. So I'm gonna be honest with you. You still need some sort of experience in the market for you to be doing this regularly and efficiently all the time. Okay, but for you to flip an account, you need to have capital. Okay, you need to have capital. You need to understand some things about the market. Okay, you need to have capital that you can use to try again, and you need to understand some things about the market. Now, if you're trading a small account and you want to flip a small account, you need to understand that you're not going to trade it the same way you'll be trading all of that account. Let me just close this trade because our stop loss is 20 pips. So once it gets to $20, okay, our stop loss is 20 pips. Let me just close this trade. So guys, can you see? You should be also open to accepting loss. All right, you should be also open to accepting loss. Now, if you want to trade a small account, you need to understand that trading a small account requires you to be able to figure out what is happening in the market. Okay, and once you figure out what is happening in the market, you now follow the trend of the market. Okay, and for you to be able to successfully trade small accounts, you need to wait for when the market is in a volatile state. Okay, you need to wait for the market to be in a volatile state, then you strike. Once you strike, when the market is in a volatile state, then you exit that particular trade in profit. You close that trade in profit. Okay, you don't hold. If you want to flip an account, you don't hold trade for long. No, you don't hold trade for long, because there can be a pullback in the market. Okay, there can be a pullback in the market. So you're going to look out for trading the market for 5 minutes to 1 hour. Do not stay in the market for longer than 5 minutes to 1 hour. And I'll also advise you to trade the New York session. Okay, trade the New York session, or trade the London session. But if you want to have instant fast volatility, I'll advise you to trade the New York session. Okay, look for your trading criteria, look for your trading plan in your New York session, and once you get your trading plan, your trading criteria, you strike. Okay, so if you can look at this chart, you're going to find that there's an indicator in my chart. I'm also going to show you how to apply this indicator and also how to use this particular indicator to catch very, very good trades in the market, because we've been using this particular indicator to trade the Forex market, and we've seen a high level of accuracy in this indicator. Now, when is the New York session? The New York session starts around 2:30 p.m. Nigerian time, and the New York session starts around 1:30 p.m. London time. So if you want to convert it, you have to just do the conversion. London time is GMT, Nigerian time is GMT plus 1. So if your country is GMT plus 2 or GMT plus 10 or GMT plus 9, just find how you do the conversion and know the exact time London session starts in your country, okay? So you have to know when London session starts. Sorry, you have to know when New York session starts in your country, okay? So when New York session starts, you now look out for market trends, and you're going to use this particular indicator. Though this indicator, I don't, my VIP students don't use this indicator. We have advanced approach but you use. But if you're still a beginner and you cannot join our VIP group, you can use this particular indicator to help you search for opportunities in the market, okay? Because if you catch trades in this market when the market is in these zones, if you catch trades in the market when the market is in zones like this, sorry, let me just quickly pull out this indicator. Okay, if you catch markets when the market is here, okay, if you enter this trade when the market is here, this is going to be your first. If you enter this trade when the market is here, and you exit the trade when the market gets to this particular level, you exit the trade when the market gets to this particular level, can you see that you're going to have very, very good profit? Now, if you want to now flip a small account, maybe you want to flip your $200 account to, let's say, 400 or 300 or 500, you're going to enter multiple trades when the market is in this particular zone, okay? So that's why this indicator is important, okay? You're going to wait for price to get to this particular zone. Once you find out that the market has crossed this indicator, once you find out that these criteria have been met right here, you can now strike. You enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But make sure you enter most of your trade at the top right here. So then you now wait for the market to sell downwards. As soon as the market sells downward very, very well and you're in deep profit, there's no need for you to wait, guys. There's no need for you to wait. There's absolutely no reason for you to hold this trade. You don't need to be a swing trader. You don't need to be a swing trader for you to make money in the market. You just have to wait for markets to meet your criteria. Once the market gets to this point and it crosses, and all this line crosses, and it gets to this second zone, and it gets to this third yellow line, you exit this trade in profits. Guys, can you see that as soon as the market crossed this line, it just moved a little bit downward before it pulled back again. As soon as the market goes to this point, it just moved downward before it now pull back again, which was this pullback that happened here. So guys, if you are trading and you want to flip an account, you're trading a small account, you want to flip, you just have to wait for all the criteria to play out. I'm also going to show you how to set up this indicator in your chart, okay? I'm going to show you how to set up this indicator in your chart. But for you to flip an account, for you to flip a small account, such as $200 like this, for you to flip an account such as $200, you have to wait for price to meet all your criteria. You have to wait for a very, very good trading opportunity. I just don't want to start showing you my other trading account, because it looks like if I'm being proud or something. But sometimes it's good for we traders to show you guys how it feels like. That's why sometimes we're going to show you our equity. We're going to show you some things. We're going to show you results. We are showing you results in the market. We are showing you live trading accounts, so you can also believe that it's possible. It's possible. I know that when you start trading, the early parts of your trading journey, you encounter a lot of losses and drawdown and losses. But with time and with practice and with learning, and with having access to the right information, having access to the right knowledge, you can easily do this thing consistently. But for you to trade such account like this and make profit and withdraw it instantly is one thing that's going to set you aside from other losing traders. Okay, so guys, whenever you trade, make sure that if you make profit, if you make deposits, make sure you also make withdrawals. Can you see that I made deposits and I also made withdrawals today? I took this trade today. I took this particular trade today, and I also closed this trade today. I took this trade today and I made profit today in less than 2 hours, and I've also made withdrawal. So guys, anytime you are trading, always ensure that you withdraw. Do not always leave your capital in the market. Withdraw the money, let it hit your bank account, so you can feel that emotion, so you can feel that fulfillment that you've traded. Okay, make sure that if you trade, you also withdraw. Do not just trade and leave your money there. Do not just always aim to trade and flip your account and keep on accumulating. If you're trying to take a $200 account to $5,000, sometimes it may be difficult. Sometimes you may end up getting to $1,000 and you now blow the account. But if you've taken your $200 to 400, then you made withdrawal, then you withdraw the money to your bank account, then you trade that 200 again to 400, then you make another withdrawal, then that money hits your bank account again, you feel fulfilled, then you trade that $200 again to maybe 500, then you withdraw the money again and hit your bank account. Then maybe if the fourth time as you're trying to take that account from $200 to 400, if the fourth time you're trying to take your $200 account to $400, then you mistakenly make loss that now puts you in drawdown. Maybe your account now gets back to, let's say, $100 or $80 or $90 or $120. You've already withdrawn something. Or if you mistakenly blow your account, you've already made a profit of $600 and it's in your bank account, and the market cannot take it from you. But if you're trying to flip a $200 account and you've made extra $200, which is 100% return of your investment, I will advise you to withdraw that money. Let it hit your bank account. Make sure you are consistently withdrawing. Let your mind, let your psychology, let your body, let your bank account feel your withdrawals. Since you're making deposits into your trading account, also make sure from time to time you make withdrawals. Okay, so but if you're trying to flip a $200 account to $5,000 and you've taken that account from 200 to 400, from 400 to 800, from 800 to $1,000, from $1,000 to 1,500 to 3,000 to even $4,000, and you mistakenly take a trade, you over leverage or something like that, and the trade did not go in your direction and you lose the whole account, can you see that you've lost more than 500% return of your investment? The market gave you an opportunity to take 500% off your investment, which was a deposit, but because you are greedy, because you're trying to do something magically, because you're trying to do something mysterious, you're trying to flip a $200 to 1,000 or 1,000,000, you may end up losing that account. Okay, but if you make profit, if you make 100% profits from your small trading account and you make withdrawal consistently, you see that if you make mistake and you lose that account, you've already made some profit, you've made some gain, you've made some money. There are some money in your bank account. So guys, I'll advise you, whenever you're trading, always make sure that from time to time you're making withdrawals. It's very, very important. I've been telling my students, and my students that have been following this particular approach, they'll find it very, very easy for them to stay consistent in the market, because sometimes you may get emotional when trading, guys. Even if you've been trading for years, once in a while you may get emotional while trading. You may lose your mind. You may lose touch with reality. You may try to do something heroic with your small account, and before you know it, you've blown the account. But if you're making withdrawals from time to time, you have something to fall back to. You have an account that you can rely on. You have something that you can withdraw. There's something in your bank account. So guys, if you're trading, make sure you are growing exponentially, which means withdrawing from time to time. So let me just quickly show you how to set up this indicator in your chart so you can take very, very good trades like this. So you click on your F icon. You click on your indicator icon right here. Okay, so when you get that, you're going to be using these three indicators, which is the MACD, the moving average, and also the Bollinger Band. So in your MACD, this is going to be your parameters. Your fast EMA is going to be 12, your slow EMA is going to be 26, your MACD SMA is going to be 9. Apply to close. In your styles, your main is 2 pixel. Okay, your signal is 2 pixel, and your main use color blue or gold or any color of your choice, or red. Then in your signals, use 2 pixel and use color black. Okay, use color black. Then in your levels and your time frame, leave it the way it is. Then you click on save. Okay, so the next indicator you're going to be using is your moving average. In your moving average, your period is going to be 2, your shift is going to be 0, your method is going to be exponential. Then apply to close. Okay, then in your star, use 3 pixel, use color blue. All right, use color blue. Then you leave your levels the way it is and leave your time frame the way it is. As soon as you have all of this set up, you click on what, save. Okay, so then you're going to add the last indicator, which is going to be your Bollinger Band. In your Bollinger Band, your period is 200, your deviation is 1.500, your shift is 0. You're applying it to first indicators data. In your star, you have 4 pixel, you have color yellow, and leave your levels blank and leave your time frame to all time frame. As soon as you have all of this set up, you click on save. Okay, click on save. You're going to have this indicator in your chart. Okay, you're going to have this indicator in your chart. So guys, how do you use this particular indicator to look for trading opportunities in the market? The first thing you're going to have to do is that you're going to have to go to the higher time frame in your chart, in your plain chart. You're going to move to the higher time frame, which is going to be like the 4 hours time frame and the daily time frame. In your 4 hours and your daily time frame, you're going to figure out what the market is doing. Okay, is the market selling or is the market buying? That's what your 4 hours and your 1 hour time frame is meant for, to determine the trend of the market. Is the market buying or is the market selling? So if you figure out that the market is buying or that the market is selling, then you now step down to your smaller time frames, which is your 5-minute and your 1-minute time frame. Okay, from your 5-minute and your 1-minute time frame, you can now start looking for trading opportunities. Okay, you can now start looking for trading opportunities. If you look at this particular trade right here, this zone right here, if you had entered this trade from this zone, which is still here in the indicator, whereby this blue line crossed the yellow line, and this black line also crossed the yellow line, where all these criteria met. If you are taking your trade from here and you've held till the market got to this point, okay, till the market got to this point, when the market has crossed this second blue line, you'd have been in very, very good profit. And guys, remember what I said, for you to trade, you have to wait for the market to be in New York session. Why the New York session? Because the New York session has very, very high volatility. The market can easily move in one direction fast, quickly in a short period of time. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something from this video. Okay, this video is for purely educational purpose. It's not to show you or to brag about my account. Okay, it's still for those of you who need some sort of encouragement and need to see live trading activities from other forex traders to give you some sort of encouragement to stay and learn and become profitable. Because at your beginning stage when you are trading, it may be difficult, guys. It may be difficult, but once you find someone that can help you, hold you in the hands and show you the right thing, show you the right approach, the right psychology, the right strategy, the right mindset to trade the market, you are going to be successful in the market. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in the next video. God bless you.